In today's video, we are going to show you how to make ads with Higgsfield. Now, if you want to create high converting ads for your business, clients, drop shipping store, or affiliate products without hiring a full production team, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And once you're inside the dashboard, you will see the content generation area. Now, this is where all your ad creatives will be created. I want you to hover to the video section and scroll down until you find the click to add so you can turn product URLs into video ads. Now, with this tool, all you need to do is paste a product URL. That's it. So for example, you want to copy this specific ad. All I have to do is copy the URL link, go back here and paste it in and click the continue button. It will ask you more information, but you don't have to worry because Higgsfield will do all of the work for you. It would take like usually around 1 to 2 minutes, and all I have to do now is sit back and relax. Okay, once it's done, before you generate your video, this is where you review all the details that Higgsfield automatically extracted about your product. Okay, so if you want to review the product images and the Shopify mobile app product details, you can do so. Matter of fact, you can upload your own logo and choose a color that best represents your brand and identity. For example, we're going to choose this one right here and click the continue button. Now, this is where the magic starts. You can simply select a style and the system will automatically generate your ad based on that preset. You can start from a simple UGC, clean, minimal, unboxing, customer reviews. It's up to you. For example, we are going to start with the simple UGC. Now for this UGC content ad, it will require you to use up until 58 credits. Okay? Click the generate button. Now, another option that you can do is go back again to the main page because you can also build an ad from scratch. Here, you can have more control over the product details. For example, you can name the product, put some description, and upload your own photo and your own logo. At the same time, you can also add your color. For example, you can choose the best color that represents your brand and identity and click the continue button. Similar to the approach earlier, you just have to choose your ad style. You can go for the standard if you want, but it will require 38 credits, 100 credits for the high, and for the premium, it will require 175 credits. Remember, in order to unlock the click to add feature, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro plan or any higher tier plan, because this will give access to powerful ad video generation tools inside Higgsfield. Keep in mind that every generation uses credits, so make sure you use your credits wisely before creating multiple versions of your ad. Plan your content properly to avoid running out too quickly. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to make ads with Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.